Now we are going to discuss about law of conservation of energy. The law states that energy is a constant. We cannot create energy, we cannot destroy energy. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can be transferred from one form to another. That is law of conservation of energy. So for that we are going to consider an object at a height. What will be its kinetic energy? It will be zero because it is at rest. When an object is at rest, there is no kinetic energy because there is no velocity. So the kinetic energy of this object is 0 joule. And we are assuming there is a potential energy. P is equal to 20 joule. So what is the total energy of this ball? We need to add Ke plus Pe. Ke means kinetic energy, Pe means potential energy. So it will be 0 plus 20 equal to 20 joule. Now the ball is falling down. At this point, what is the kinetic energy? It is not going to be 0 because it is going to achieve some velocity, right? So it is half distance we are taking. It is 10 joule and potential energy is 10 joule because this 20 joule of potential energy is converting into kinetic energy. When an object is falling down, the potential energy is converting into kinetic energy. So here the potential energy was 20 joule. Now the potential energy is 10 joule. The other 10 joule converted into kinetic energy. So what is the total energy here? Ke plus Pe, 10 plus 10, 20 joule. Now the ball is reaching to the ground. Now what is the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is 20 joule because it is having maximum velocity. Now the potential energy is 0 joule because no height. The ball is reached on the ground. There is no height. So potential energy is 0. That potential energy is completely converted into kinetic energy. Then what is the total energy? Ke plus Pe, total energy is equal to 20 plus 0, 20 joule. So here we can understand that every point the total energy is same. It is law of conservation of energy. In a system, total energy is always constant. Total energy of a system is always constant. When an object is falling down, Pe plus Ke equal to constant. Or you can write energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can be transferred from one form to another. When an object is falling down from a height, potential energy will decrease and kinetic energy will increase. What is the commercial unit of energy? It is kilowatt hour. Electricity bill. We all are getting electricity bill at home. They are measuring the electricity in the form of using kilowatt hour. It is power. What is power? Power is the rate of doing work. How much work we are doing in a particular time. That is power. Power is the rate of work done, and equation of power is work done upon time. Power is the rate of work done. How much work we are doing at a particular time. It is known as power. The equation for power is work done upon time. The unit of power is watt and commercial unit of energy is kilowatt hour.